Mount Fuji in Japan is one of the famous mountains in the world. Mount Fuji is Japan's highest mountain at 12,388 feet or 3,776 meters. Although it is a volcano, it is not erupted for a very long time. The last time was in 1707. The majestic, awe-inspiring Mount Fuji has been painted and photographed to such a degree that it has become the symbol of Japan. Some people also consider it to be sacred. Many people climb to a shrine at its peak on summer. This beautiful mountain has an almost perfect cone shape.